GitHub Copilot for Xcode now supports agent mode. Let's take a look. As you navigate to the Copilot chat pane, you will notice a new toggle which allows you to switch between Ask, where you can have back and forth conversations with Copilot, and Agent, where Copilot takes action based on your instruction. Let's get Copilot to look up the issues in the repository and help us prioritize them. Agent mode in GitHub Copilot for Xcode supports the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, so we can provide Copilot with additional tools, like GitHub's MCP server. We can navigate to this Tools icon, which takes us to the GitHub Copilot for Xcode settings page. Here, we see a tab for MCP, where we can edit the configuration and see the available tools based on what's already configured. As we switch back, Copilot has provided a comprehensive update on the state of our work. But it looks like there's one item to improve the user experience. So let's switch to our simulator and take a look. Ah, I see. That instant invalidation is a little off-putting. So let's ask Copilot to help us resolve that issue and provide some clear instructions and expand on our expectations. Copilot gets to work exploring the files from the current workspace and makes the needed updates to resolve the issue. Alright, that should be done. So let's take another look. Great, we're not greeted with red input boxes, and it looks like the form works. And if we enter an invalid entry, it looks like the warnings appear as expected. That's great. Thanks, Copilot. To get started with GitHub Copilot for Xcode, check out gh.io/copilot/xcode.